Content curation and social engagement. Hi, my name is Ken. This is the Huffington Post, arguably one of the most popular news sites on the internet. Here's another site, Upworthy, whose goal is to provide worthy and meaningful content. But where does this content come from? These sites create hundreds of stories a day and thousands of articles a week. This might sound like a massive undertaking, but we can create niche websites with minimal work using a similar process. The process is called content curation, using information from a variety of sources and presenting it on your website. I have linked to the original content or sources for your convenience. First, you must understand some basic SEO techniques. If you want readers to find your website, you must understand this concept. By following the links below, you will literally become a search engine optimization professional. Your website needs to connect to your readers, so you need to explain who you are. Develop a backstory, making yourself seem like a lead character in a movie. We will use Google Chrome to create a user's account for your new character and one for publishing purposes. Now we're going to set up your Chrome browser and add extensions to simplify the process. Now that all the technical stuff is out of the way, we can get started. Content curation is the process of sorting through vast amounts of content on the web and presenting it in a meaningful and organized way. The work involves sifting, sorting, arranging, and publishing information. Please allow me to introduce author, filmmaker, and content curator Steve Rosenbaum. Rosenbaum is the author of a book, Curation Nation. In the video below, Rosenbaum suggests that everyone is already curating content every day. This is my original process that allows you to create 100% original content. But for the sake of time, I'm going to give you the quick and dirty version. Like a news reporter, you need to develop quality sources. You should try to think of things your ideal customer will enjoy reading. The first step is researching and understanding your market. If you need help with research, pay someone to do it. Find the top websites that relate to your main topic. Now take all the websites you have found relating to your topic and import them into Feedly. Okay, so right now I am signed inside my Feedly account. Over here is where you would import all your RSS feeds or sources. So I have several here. You can arrange them into different groups or topics. So what we're going to do is from here you can scroll down and you can click. So this one has, you can look and it says 51. That's 51 views. This one has 2,000. So you can hit save. I unsaved it and I can click save. So you scroll down and basically what you do is you select the most popular stories from all the sources or RSS feeds you've created from all the different websites you are currently following due to your research. And then you come up here for save for later. And then these are the stories that you just click saved on, and you want to scroll down and find one that you think will be worth writing about. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, so now I've decided to use this story. I'm going to continue over. This is the story itself. Brings up the link for the story. Now over here is a quick website I threw together using Weebly. So here's the story. I brought it over to here. Now basically we're just copying the content over to a new site and then using different sources to create these stories, or just to basically import these stories. I prefer to use 100% original content, which means we would generally rewrite the post or take a bunch of posts on similar topics and mash them together to create a new story. Okay, so now the new content has been shared onto this website we threw together real quick, which has a few different posts I've added on real quickly. Here's another website. It's called If This Then That. We set it up so if we post anything on Weebly, then it makes a post on Facebook. Now when we post a story onto our Weebly blog, it's automatically pushed over to our new Facebook page that I just put together here. This all just took me about 15 minutes to put together. But so now it's pushed over here. The new post I just added probably take 4 to 5 minutes to get sent over. There's other ways of doing this, more technical ways that will make this much more unique content, but this is the overall process that most of these large websites use to find content and build their sites rapidly. So that's it. Huffington Post, content curation, check. Upworthy, content curation, check. For the full step-by-step PDF, click the link below this video.